Wow, this is the most exciting thing ever. The Nitram Starter Kit. Let's have a look at what's inside, and also I'll show you how to sharpen these wonderful, wonderful tools. This is a brand new product from Nitram and also brand new at Opus. It's a great introduction to a professional and traditional medium. There's a yellow, there's a green, there's an orange, a blue, and a sharpening block. What a great selection to get going with charcoal. Okay, let's open this box. Two-sided. That's excellent. Good. And here we go, nicely wrapped up, and we have these 4 sticks of different grades of charcoal. So basically, there is the darkest. This is the B+, this is the B, this is the HB, and this is the H. So you'll see that they are color-coded. Yellow is the darkest, green is the workhorse drawing tool, orange is the HB, which is the mid-tone, and blue is the lightest. So don't get rid of these, right? You'll need these color codes. So let's have a look at the sharpener for them. Okay. And looks like we actually have an extra replacement. Oh, there's an extra 2. So when these get worn out, you can peel that off, and then you've got extra refills. Excellent. Good. So straight out of the box, these are not actually usable for accurate or very nuanced drawings. Let's have a look. So straight out of the box, we're going to go, could be usable, but not for anything very accurate. And you can see on the box that we've got quite a long taper. Now I taper mine much more, so I'll show you how I do it. I'm using the B, and I'll hold the stick quite far back and be fairly gentle. Hold the stick really flat to the sanding block or the sharpener, the sharpening block, and I'm turning it as I go. And you can see we're getting there. This takes a while. Nearly, okay. Remember to be gentle and try not to break that stick, which might happen if you hold the stick at an angle and press down on it. Pretty good. So let's have a look. I think I need to get rid of a little bit more on this side. Good, and we're ready to go. So you can see how much smoother this is and what fine lines you can get. Now you'll probably need to sharpen the orange one, the HB, as well as the blue one, the H. I probably wouldn't sharpen the yellow one because that's for large areas. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little introduction into these amazing professional tools that Nitram has provided for us. Great to get going on a starter kit, and look forward to seeing your drawings.